So let us start with first setting up the calculator for 4 decimal. Why 4 decimal? Because that does the job. So most of your questions will be either 2 or 3 decimal choices. So 4 is the safest. Well, you can do any other setup, but 4 is the safest. Let's start with that. So first thing you will notice is that there is a function which we are going to use, that is format. So for that we press second year, and then there is at the bottom you have dot, which is format. Let us do that in the calculator. Second and format. As soon as you do that, you will see on the screen, because I have 1 decimal, it shows 1 only. Now I want to change it to 4. So you will press 4 and then you will press enter on the top. Let's do that in the calculator. 4 and enter on the top. As soon as you do that, you will notice the calculator is set up to 4 decimal. Then finally press the clear button at the end twice. You can press it. So it's clear and the calculator is set up for 4 decimal. Well, you can do 3, 5 or any other decimal, but 4 is what I recommend.